everyone, I'm Gemma from Concrete Gems Crochet, and today I want to show you how to make this cute little fish motif in crochet. Now this is part of the Summer Landscapes Crochet picture set. This is one of the pictures. In the full PDF pattern you get 3 backgrounds and 16 motifs which you can mix and match between the different scenes to create beautiful summer landscapes. Now, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the fish, and you'll find all the other tutorials also on YouTube and on my blog for all of the other motifs as they are released. But for now, let's make this cute little fish. I'm using Scapious Katona, which is 100% cotton, and a 3mm crochet hook, and I'm working in US crochet terms, okay? So to start our fish, we're going to make a magic ring. So we wrap our yarn around our fingers like so. So we've got a loop crossing over with the tail end dangling here. Insert your hook into the loop, grab the yarn and pull it through. And I'm just wrapping the yarn around my finger as if I were crocheting normally. And then chain 1 like so, okay? And we're going to make 1 single crochet into that ring, like so, and then we're going to pull our end tight. And we're going to turn, it's a bit fiddly when it's just 1 stitch to turn, and we're going to chain 1, and we're going to make 2 single crochets into that stitch. 1 and 2. And then we're going to turn again. Chain 1 for row 3, and we're going to make 2 single crochets into each stitch. So you'll have 4 at the end of this row. One, and then the second one in the same stitch. It's a bit fiddly to start with, but just keep going at it. Okay, then we turn, and for row 4 we're just going to work single crochets into each stitch across. So chain 1 to start with, and then work a single crochet into each stitch, and so you should still have 4 stitches at the end of this row. Here we go. And turn. Row 5 starts with a chain 1, and then we're going to do single crochet 2 together, okay? So insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull through a loop, then insert your hook into the second stitch, yarn over and pull through a loop. With 3 loops on your hook, you now yarn over and pull through all 3. And then we do the same thing again in the other 2 stitches of this row. Okay, so now we're back down to 2 stitches, okay? Row 6 we chain 1, and we do another single crochet 2 together into the 2 stitches that we have, okay? Like so. And then we turn. For row 7 we're going to chain 3. And we're going to do 3 trebles in the next stitch. So treble crochet stitches, yarn over, insert into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so 3 all into the same stitch, and then we're going to chain 3 and slip stitch into the same stitch again. And there you have your fish. Now this is a mini one, smaller than the other one that I've made. Okay, so to make the larger fish, you're going to repeat row 4, where we're doing just the straight 4 single crochets. We're going to repeat that 2 more times, okay? And that will create a fish like this one. And this is a mini fish. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed learning how to make a cute little fish. You can use it for greetings cards, for you could hang them on a string and make like an aquarium decoration for your child, or you can use it in the Summer Landscapes crochet picture set. Now I made some in baby blue as well, which is shade 509, and I made all of mine the longer ones. But the short ones are quite cute too, don't you think? So go and find all of the details for the summer landscapes in the description below. And I hope to see you there, crocheting along with me. I have a Facebook group too, where we can share all of our makes in the crochet along, and or whenever you are working on anything. I love to see them at any time of the year. And that's it for me for now. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.